Hey guys, hope everybody's doing great. This is Thursday evening. The sun's finally went down enough to where my cleaning area is not in the direct sunlight. On this concrete, the temperature gets up to easily 120, 130 degrees. So in the afternoons, if I do anything out here, it is definitely after the sun has went down a little bit. But what I wanted to show is these favorite, the sunshine logos. These waffle irons are a little bit more involved to restore because they have pins that go all the way through, and I don't want to grind off any of the pins or replace it with bolts or anything like that. So what I'm having to do is spray these down with oven cleaner. Once I get all of this off, it's been through one round. The insides actually look really good. A little plane flying over, but they turned out real good. It still has a little bit of stuff in there, but same thing with these. I mean, most of it came off. It's got a little bit left to do. I'm thinking maybe one more round with just the lye or the spray, the oven cleaner, because it's got lye in it. We'll get these cleaned, and then what I'll have to do, instead of being able to use the oven, I'm actually going to have to get a burner, and then take and put the base, because I have the bases already cleaned. So all I have to do is use that to do the seasoning on them, because the wood handles, you don't just toss them in the oven. So, but these are pretty hard to find. They're not cheap, but I really like that logo, so I wanted to get a set. And if you had seen some of the posts of my picks lately, I did find a Puritan that was also made by Favorite. It has the same number 8 on it, and it has Puritan written here with none of this on there. That'll be the next one that I have to clean, and of course it's the exact same way with these handles. So, but there they are, guys. I'll hopefully get them done soon, and then we'll take and do a video showing them all done. Y'all have a great night.